Good morning, it's Tuesday, it's 20 past 7. Kids' lunches are all made. Foxy is in the living room playing with the cats apparently and having his third breakfast. Yep, so he's doing that. The girls are upstairs getting dressed. Janippy's here. Hi Janippy. Hi little cat. Hi little cat. Don't you go near my smoothie. I've got a coffee and a smoothie milkshakey thing. It's frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple and frozen blueberries, milk, a little tiny bit of golden syrup and vanilla. Mika had it as a smoothie bowl, so I made it really, really thick for her, and then she puts the cereal on the top. And then I just added extra milk to the leftovers, and now me and Ari have got it as a smoothie. Lunch is made for Aria and Fox. Mika's having a hot dinner today. I need to do the washing up. I need to clear the table from where the girls have just left all of their breakfast stuff. The cats overnight, like, I don't know what they've been doing, but they have just trashed that, so I need to sort that out. Oh my god. I'll show you my new paintings I'm doing. So this is the first one. She's a big boy. I don't know what I'm going to do on him yet. Well, I think I've got an idea for this one. And then I've got a smaller one there. And then I've got a tall, skinny one there. So that is that. Oh, and this is finished. If I can move everything. Oh my goodness. She's finished. Look at her. I love her so much. So it's, yeah, all pink and blues and purpley toys. And they're all glued. And then there's a glitter background. And then like a purple lilac border on the black. So yeah, and it can either hang or it can go like that. So that is going to be on my Etsy soon. I made a vegan fudge last night actually. I'm not going to be able to sell vegan fudge because you have to have like everything separate if you're going to do like allergy ones or vegan ones. This was just for my friend Jodie and to see if I could do it, because then I can make nice treats, because I go on the school run and I just give out fudge and stuff to everybody, and then my poor friend Jodie's there and she can't have any because it's not vegan. So I made a vegan one today, so I'm going to chop it open and we'll have a look. It's like a dark chocolate Biscoff, because obviously Biscoff is vegan. So yeah, it's biscuits at the top, then fudge, and then it's got a whole layer of crunchy Biscoff in the middle. That looks amazing! And then more biscuits at the bottom, so I'm going to cut it. This looks so good. What bit? Take it. It's dark chocolate. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to cut it into bars. Oh, I'm so pleased with how that looks. Hey, it is. I can't even look at my watch because I've got my long gloves on. It's like 20 past 9, I think. I've got an appointment at 9:30 over there in someone's garden. They've got like a beauty cabin in the garden. It's the first time I've ever been. So yeah, I'm going to have a pedicure. Just got Foxy some Jaffa cakes from the shop, because he was, again, yesterday and today, he's like been screaming, not wanting to go into nursery. I don't know what's up with him, but he's just really, really sad. And then like they literally put on his like online diary, like 10 minutes after I've left, he's playing and he's fine. But just like the run up, he was crying before school this morning, and then when we got there, he didn't want to go in, and yeah, I don't know what's up with him. So yeah, that's crap. I feel really sad for him that he's having that in the mornings. There's a man about to walk past me and he's going to be like, why are you filming on my road? It's fine. Yeah, I don't know what colour to have on my toes. Never had a pedicure before. I don't know what to expect. I'm like actually quite anxious about it. I even put socks on this morning. I fucking hate. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, he's a cute cat. It's a cat. Oh, he's a baby. He's a big boy. yeah, put socks on this morning, and I hate wearing socks, but I was like, is it like etiquette of a pedicure to wear socks? I don't know. Like, do you have to wear? I don't know. I literally don't know. I was going to go and see my friend Kat this afternoon, but apparently the road between our houses, which normally takes 15 minutes, is over an hour delay at the minute because of the roadworks and stuff. And I was like, yeah, I'm not sitting in traffic for an hour each way for a 15-minute journey. So yeah, don't know what I'm going to do. Might do some painting. Ben's mum is coming this afternoon. The kids don't know, so she's going to come to mine at like 2:30, and then we're going to go and pick up the kids from school, do a little surprise for them, and then she's going to stay until bedtime. I can't remember if I told you, like, I think I'm going to call the business the Fudge Dealer, because I just think it's fucking hilarious. And I really don't want to do any baking. I don't want to sell cakes, just because cakes are so unpredictable, and the stress I get from baking when it's for someone else, I just don't want that in my life. I don't want that stress. So I'm going to do like chocolate stuff and fudge stuff. I think that's the plan. So I've just made an Instagram called the Fudge Dealer. If you want to follow it, you can. And it will be either local collection or local delivery, if I'm allowed to. I don't think I'm allowed to with my car, but local collection or UK-wide postage. So, because fudge is fine to post. So, yeah, I'm going to go and have my feet tickled. Excited. And I'll talk to you in a bit.